Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up a session indicator on Tradingview. First, open your chart on Tradingview. Once your chart is loaded, go to the top toolbar and click on the Indicators button. This will open the Indicators library where you can search for tools. In the search bar, type Trading Sessions or simply Sessions. You will see a list of available indicators. Look for a reliable and commonly used one, such as Trading Sessions by Lux Algo, and click on it to add it to your chart. After adding the indicator, you will notice colored boxes appearing on your chart. These represent different trading sessions like Tokyo, London, and New York. Next, move to the top right corner of your chart where the indicator name appears. Click on the small gear icon next to it. This will open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you can customize the sessions. You can turn specific sessions on or off depending on what you want to focus on. You can also change the colors to make each session easier to recognize. Now, check the time settings carefully. Make sure the indicator is set to your preferred time zone, either your local time or the exchange time. This step is important so that the session boxes align correctly with the price movement. For a cleaner chart, go to the Style Settings and uncheck the option called Show Daily Divider. You can also adjust the transparency of the session boxes to make your chart less cluttered. Once everything looks right, close the settings. Thanks for watching.